Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, Jay Loves. What's up? What's up? Let's get it. Just waiting for the internet people to get out here and get my internet fixed. Trying to get off the Starlink. That'd be nice. Very nice. So, now we look at the overseas markets. How did it do? Well, Nikkei was closed last night, bank holiday. HSI was down 284. DAX is up 37. CAC is up 5. Kospi is up 45.87. Hey, Sean, what's up? Gary. Let's look at the yields this morning. Yields, yeah, they're coming down a little bit, but they are still up for the day. And keep in mind, we still have this target up here. And if the yields are going to go up there, it's probably going to be a problem for the market. A little pullback. 4.786% is the ABC target. Yeah, Bitcoin. Where's gold and stuff? Trade gold a little bit last night on the stream in the Apex accounts. So, hey, Sods, good morning. Let's see gold real quick. Yeah, we were trading gold a little bit last night. Where's crude oil? Crude oil is up 25 cents. Trying to get my bearings. My bearings. Yeah, hopefully we can stay green. That's gonna be the goal. So I gotta be careful. So we're gonna be trading. I'm gonna be trading the Apex accounts. This will be session number 4. I did hit the $200 goal last night. Night before I did not. So my work cut out for me yesterday. But if you look, here's those Apex accounts I'm doing the challenge on for the eval. All right, we got one EOD account and one's intraday account. Last night they made $216 and $218. Not bad. After commissions, 205 and 207. So let's see if we can get it. Hey Raj, good morning. Let's see if they're gonna keep on pushing. Let's check the news real quick. What time do we have to worry about news this morning? I wonder what time they're gonna be. They're gonna be gone today. So 8:15, we have low impact ADP numbers coming out. 10 o'clock, this is funny because 10 o'clock, we have existing home sales. This is low impact. And financial juice has that as high impact. So, nonetheless, I think 10 o'clock has the potential to move the markets. Look out here in pre-market. What do we have? Pre-market change. SpaceX down almost 1%. Amazon's down. Microsoft down. Google down. So we have Tesla, Apple, and Nvidia up. Nvidia's up pretty decent. Actually, the chips are up pretty decent this morning too. Yeah, CPI tomorrow. Well, it's funny. So far all week, we just been chopping. And I think it's funny. More than a week ago, hey, we're hours away from a deal. Maybe tomorrow, worst case scenario. So. I was going to get $59 Apex. Will be the first time. I don't know about without paying. Apex does pay. If you follow the rules, you'll get paid. Speaking of Apex, we're gonna do an Apex account giveaway today too. So make sure you smash that like button. The more likes we get, the more people we'll have in the duck race, just like yesterday. So smash it. Yeah, today though they have the legacy accounts. Or today the deal ends for legacy accounts. We get, the same payouts where some traders have been able to get $1 million payouts. Not a lot of people, but there has been a few. I'm not one of them. I've seen them do something stupid before that. So in Q, you can see we're up here at the upper portion of the range. Little double top-ish action maybe. Top 1, top 2. We break the neckline down here at 721, which I'm kind of curious. Target would be 545. Right now we're going up, so. Hey Mike, what's up? So we haven't broken the neckline yet. You see it's just kind of squeezing up here at the moment. Okay. Trying to get my Apex accounts all set up real quick. Some VWAP. $80. There we go. And I'm going to set this up for GC. And maybe also for crude oil, just in case. I mean, ideally, I like to do it all in the NASDAQ, but gold's been pretty good to this account recently, too. Hey, Roach. Good morning. Mark, good morning. Neckline is broken. How do you have the neckline broken? Here's the neckline way down here. At least the one I'm looking at. Oh, maybe look at head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Maybe. Yeah, I know. That's what I feel like. Right back to where we were. I did take one more trade last night after the stream. So I got one more trade last night. I ended up putting a couple micros on and got a little something. Maybe. Hey, Raj, or do you think maybe we're going to go all the way up to here? All the way up to the highs from yesterday? Maybe. Because we talk about potential lower high here forming an ABC pattern down, but look, we have a pretty tight consolidation up here. Let's do this. Your technician is on the way and will arrive soon. How about for the internet? Fantastic. Yeah, afternoon, I do think will be choppy because we have the news coming out tomorrow with the CPI. But, you know, it's kind of funny that Sunday night and yesterday was like that as well. We still have no deal. No deal. So, what's going on there? ES is up 14 points. Look at the ES real quick. ES had a nice little yank down this morning from the VWAP bands. Got yanked down a little bit. Well, hey, if we look at crude oil, let's see. Let's look at crude oil real quick. On the daily. I hear I'm still trying to chirp this. Volatility index is flat. So VIX just going sideways. I feel like they're trying to push this up. Hey, J Loves, good job on that. So all four of our indices are in the green. Dow being up 67, SP up 14.75, NASDAQ up 118, Russell up 8. starting to get to be short-term overbought. See the green, you see the red background. Above the regression channel right here too. We start getting that VWAP band, I might smack it. Say just up today, maybe. Almost went short. Still may. Hey, Mechanoble, good morning. A little bit too much delta came in here. So I was hoping, I was watching to see how we're going to get some delta divergence. We had quite a bit of delta pop up, so no good for me. I'll have to sit it out. Too bad, too sad. Oh, you know what? Like I said, don't forget, we're going to be doing an Apex account giveaway today, so smash that lucky like button. I'm going to go push my lucky like button myself. Let's see what number I'm going to be. How low am I going to be? 44. All right, 44 on the light counter. All right, Raphael, the night wasn't too bad. A decent night. I didn't close at session highs, unfortunately, but see on the 1 minute right here, we're working on bar number 9 right now. Look, we do have the 9 count in the 1 minute. We'll see if we're going to push up and stop me out for trade number 1. Got 9 count over here on the left chart. Above the regression channel. Regression channel is sloping up, but I don't mind the location. Hey, Sam, good morning. Doesn't mean it's going to work out in my favor, but probably not going to. Hey, Boss Dog, good morning. The one thing I do like is I wish I would have waited, but not a lot of delta push going up a little bit further now. Maybe I should have waited. Smacked it right up in here, but you can see the delta down here. We have quite a bit of delta now. Nothing on that last little push. Hopefully it's out of gas. I need to go back down. Push, push, push. So I can get out of this trade. Please and thank you. Trying to be on the lookout for the internet guy to get here. He's gonna be here between 8 and 12 o'clock. Fantastic. Yeah, news in 1 minute. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna be a big market moving event though. I think existing home sales at 10. This is gonna be more of the market moving event. I almost hit the close button. Oh, hold on a second. All right, internet people's gonna be here shortly. Fantastic. Fantastic. Was that? Well, he's on his way now. So I'm thinking he'll be here within a half hour. These will call. I won't even be surprised if he's not here within 15 minutes. I'm not going to let him plug in, undo my internet until I'm done. So. Put this on. There we go. Came down, barely got me in the green for a moment, and then trying to get back up. Hey, Plum Trader. Good morning. Yeah, well, I'm going to come back in here. I'm going to show him what's jacked up. And I closed it. All right, ended up being a loss. I mean, it's pretty simple. There's no signal coming in. So. All right, we do got a trade detector bubble up here. Do I dare take another swing at this? Quite a bit of delta coming in too. Hey, we had a little bit of liquidity. Quite a bit of delta right there. Did I take another swing at this? I tried. I didn't want to film me. Yeah, lots of back and forth. I feel like we're going right up to here, though. To be honest with you. Looks like we want to go right up here towards that swing point we just made at 7 o'clock this morning. I mean, the good news is I didn't take a full loss last time. I got out early. So, if we do come back down, I should be good. We hit my target. It should put me at new session highs for this morning. Wonder how slow it's gonna be today. Total range last night was what? 220? 220 points on the ES, 29 points overnight. Not a huge range. Don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Again, we're gonna be doing an Apex account giveaway today. It's good for any Apex account. Any Apex account. So. Remove a rack for both conditions. Look around the ES, we have a little bit of liquidity here. A little bit here at 96. But then 7,800. 7,800 if I remember right. Let's go look. Yeah, that's right where Gex 1 is. We talked about that last night. Yeah, any Apex account. So the code I give will be whatever account. Does not work for the 5-packs because the first winner yesterday is still messaging me trying to figure out how to get his Apex account. He'd never, I guess, had an Apex account before. And he goes, hey, look, it doesn't work. He's trying to buy a 5-pack. It only works for the single account, not 5. I mean, good try, but any account. If you want a 25K account, EOD, intraday, doesn't matter. If you want a 300K legacy account, since that deal ends today, if you go ahead and purchase your account with the code, then you'll get that account for free today as well. So you get to choose whatever account you think best suits the way you trade. You choose. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that because not, you know, no, a lot of traders like different things. Some people like really big accounts. Some people like small accounts. So the winner gets to choose whatever they think they could be most successful with. So I really like that. Yeah, maybe you'll win, hopefully. Yeah, Legacy have unlimited payouts. Ready? Yep. But they also have the MAE rule and 8 days in between payout cycles versus 5. So there's a give and take. You can get more than 6 payouts. I think after the 6th payout, it's uncapped. After the 5th or 6th, I can't remember. It's uncapped. You can get as much money out as you can get. Gosh, darn it. I was up 200 on that trade too. That would have been enough to get rid of the last trade plus a little extra. Oh, wow. All right. What was that all about? That was fast. All right, winner, winner. I'll take it. I'll take it. I don't know. I don't see any news yet. I was looking at crude oil. See if crude oil reacted on that quick little spike. I don't see it. I was trying to see if anything else moved with it. Crude oil already went down before that. But you see crude oil didn't get no crazy spike on that quick little blip down. I see U.S. forces fire on Panama flagged ship attempting to run blockade of Iranian ports. Maybe it was that? I don't know. Iran firing at ships. Hey, you think that'd affect oil? Oh, oil is going up now. You see oil now starting to go up. All right, oil's starting to go up now. Hey, Raphael, Apex has accounts with no activation fee. So if it was me and I won the Apex account today, or all this week, every stream at night and during the day, we're going to be giving away 1 Apex account. So what I would do, I'd buy the account with no activation fee. Just saying. London is mean. Hey, Paul, I felt that way many times every time I tried to trade London. I think I can beat it now, though. Now, just because I think I can doesn't mean that's reality. But yeah, your ship, U.S. fires on ship break-in is blockade of Iran. Hey, told Dork, what's up? What's up? So I'm looking for a trade. Remember, I'm trying to get $200 per session in the Apex evaluation accounts. See if we can pass the evaluation only trading VWAP trades. So we'll see. Yeah, hey Sean. So if you're a trader that blows up a lot of evals, Apex is perfect because it's cheap. It's not gonna cost you a whole lot. So, hey Crawford, good morning. That's a pretty good smackdown in the NASDAQ. Right up here from the upper channel, bing, right down to the lower. Regression channel is still sloping up. We have the view app all the way down here at about 789. Yeah, Buellnox same way. I've never had a Buellnox account yet. So, I've not had one yet. Let's see. Hey Paul, hey, what's that picture you just sent me? What platform is that? I was trying to look at it. Yeah, I've never used that platform. I'm not sure how they display it. But if I look over here on Spot Gamma, the Spot Gamma, the bluish colors, positive gamma, negative gamma is the red. Well, hey, that's what I can see over here. Here's the market. I got the market maker model up. You can also look at customers, pro customers, broker dealers, and firms. So I can see all the difference. It's the way the options data is tagged at the exchange level. BS 3D. Oh, it's fall signals. Oh, Jesse uses that. Yeah, I've never used that. Hey, respect to you. What's up? What's up? Let's get it. But yeah, I'm looking for a good trade for the Apex accounts. Go placing games before they open. Yeah. So it's 8:30. We have news at 10 o'clock. Oh, hey, internet guy just showed up. Fantastic. Yeah, at least I'm not in a trade. All right, give me a moment. I'm gonna go talk to the internet guy real quick, and then I'll be back. So give me a minute. Give me a moment. I shall return. Actually, he's still backing in. No, hey, it's just the way they display the data, Paul. It's just the way they display the data. All right, give me a moment. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go talk to this guy and see what he has to say. So I'll be back within 5 minutes. Just give me a moment. All right, I see him trying to push it back up. Let's see. Bam. All right, I'm back. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We shall see. We got news at 10 o'clock. Dow's up 41. S&P's up 13. NASDAQ's up 107. Russell up 3.9. Looks like we're trying to bounce right off that lower regression channel. We're at war. No, we're not at war with Panama. Oil's only up 24 cents right now, too. Easy down, easy up. So if we do pop up here, let's just talk about this real quick. Are we going to break all the way through here? Because look, we've had that push up. We've had the consolidation. Are we going to break? Stopped out for 20 loss. That's not bad. My first trade this morning was a loss too. We get above the wick here. I'm not going to be looking at this as any type of double top. If we get to VWAP bands, I might have to smack it. I don't know if I want to smack it before or after. Let's see. So overnight range is 29 on the ES. Hey, Atomic, I do have a video on this channel or the other channel. Let me look. I have a video on it. I just don't know if it was, might have been on the second channel. It didn't get no views. Just can't remember what channel I put it on. Yeah, I think it's on the other channel. Yeah, maybe I'll redo that video on this channel. I might redo it. Hey, so Atomic, in terms of where to position it, it's automatically adjusting. So they have it where you could draw it from like a certain point to certain point, but this constantly moves. It's looking at the last 55 bars. So how about a coin flip? Yeah, coin flips, man, they're a little head heavy. A lot more heads than tails. But I got another follow-up video to that video I'm going to do. I'm going to run a lot more data. Show you guys another way so you can say, it's not just that month. 86 out of 188 likes. Oh, man. Yeah, I think I was 43 or 46. Pop or drop? Yeah, let me get that pull up. I don't know if I'm going to have to go back out there and talk to the guy or not. I'm sure I will, but. All right, pop or drop at the open. Let's see. Let's see. What's everybody going to vote for? Got 92 likes. If we can get another 8 little button pushes, get us over the 100 like mark. And like I said, we're gonna be giving away Apex account today, any account size. So hopefully you work on in between trades, getting your duck well rested, well trained, whatever you gotta do to give your duck that edge it needs to get the #1 spot. So duck shirt on. Yeah, trying to pop up now. We're not at the regression channel, so I can't swing the Apex accounts yet. So yeah, it can be. Hey Rick, sometimes we get a little bit easier to trade pre-market. Sometimes you're right. It is a son of a gun. So crude oil is trying to make a little push up, then trying to come back down. Not a whole lot going on there. Let's go look at oil, or let's go look at gold though. What's gold doing? Gold's slowly trying to grind up, but we're right there at VWAP. So no trade for me. I'm just looking for VWAP bands, and I'm going to smack a trade with the Apex. I like to get the $200 in and out, be done with those accounts for the morning. Yeah, continuation. Let's see. It could end up popping back up. But right now on this 1 minute chart, here's a high. Here's a lower high. Will we produce another lower high? Now, let's look at this right here. We got to pull a fib real quick. Did we retrace more than 78%? We did not. So if we do start coming down, there is a chance. There's a chance. This could be an ABC pattern on the way down. Target would be 804. Assuming we don't go up any higher. I gotta be honest with you, it's kind of hard trading. I keep catching birds or something fly by, and I think it's the internet guy walking by. So actually, you know what I'm looking at now? I just caught it out of the corner of my eye on the other chart. Hey, look at the NASDAQ right here. All right, so we drew out what could be maybe a double top, but let's just see how deep was this retracement right there. Hey, could we not also have a potential ABC pattern up? The market's been trying to grind up. So look, we start taking out this right here. We do have a target at 914. Yeah. Squirrel. We could. Very well could. And look, we are above value area high from the prior day. So that implies that we're going to come back up to the upper third of yesterday's range. And look where that 100% level is. Almost in that minus development area. Almost there. So do we overshoot that 100% level to kind of get right here in that minus development area? We may. I kind of want to see. We didn't quite make it up there last night or this morning. So we're kind of in a holding pattern right now. Let's see, are we going to push up, or is this turning into a double top flop and we go back down? So unfortunately, we got to wait for the moment. Let's go look at the gamma real quick. So if we look right here on the NASDAQ, 1 day minimum, way down here, 384. We have call resistance up here around 30,000. You know, I won't be surprised if we do try to work up there. We're at the call resistance 0 DTE and gamma 0 DTE right up here, gamma wall, but we'll see if they can push back above it. Evaluation scorecard. Let's see. Hmm. Hey, I didn't have anything come through. What is that? Hmm. Hey, Kim, good morning. Hey, JD. Oh, we might be able to make new all-time highs. We'll see. We'll see. I'm kind of torn right now. Are we going up or are we going down? One day max is all the way up here at 30,143. So I'm kind of torn where we're at right now. Are we taking 2 trades? 1 loss, 1 win? No, maybe I've taken 3 trades. Let's go look at something. Interesting. I hear a little bit of knocking. A little bit of knocking. Just kind of sitting here though. I don't want to. I'm not trying to force something more so than I have to. Oh, let's see now if I got it. That's really weird. I don't. Hey, Mongo, I see where you sent, but there's like the email is blank. There's nothing in the email. Just blank. I don't know. It's weird. Really, really weird. All right, so hey, are we getting ready to return back to VWAP? Looking over here on the ES. VWAP is down here right around what, 80, 82 and a quarter. Potential lower high forming, little ABC pattern down. ABC pattern would take us to 81 and a quarter. Yeah, we got 10 minutes till 9 o'clock. I don't know. I just don't know. I think the guys would be running a new. He's mapping out the how long the cable's going to be. I hear a little bit of knocking, but nothing crazy. Again, this morning I'm kind of neutral. I can make the case up or down. Let's go check it now. don't know what's going on with that. Click the email. Oh. Hey, Mongo, you should be done with those evals, right? Oh, yeah. Let's go take a screenshot of that. Let's go see. Well, I want to make sure. Make sure it's not going to show any account information before I share that. Okay. That doesn't. All right, let's go look at Mongo's stuff real quick. Let's go looky. All right, hold on a second. We're going to try to come down here. Are they going to try to come down? Because look on the NASDAQ, we can also have an ABC pattern down here too. We talked about 805. Do we make it down there? All right, I'll show you guys Mongo's. Let's go look at it real quick. So expectancy, $76.40 per trade. Closed P&L 4,500. Average loss 220. Average, I can't see the win. Let's see, get over here. Let's show average win. Profit factor 2.2. Hey, that's great. Wow, it looks like you're, hey, Mongo, it looks like you're better on the sell side. 64% on the sell side, profitable. Nice. No, not really though. But you've made more money on the long side. See, that's funny. People say, oh, look at, maybe that's the percentage of trades. Yeah, that's probably the percentage of trades, not the win-loss ratio. My bad. Max loss 614. Max gained 1,200. Hey, that's good numbers. Hey, good job on that one, Mongo. That's not bad. Yeah. It's huge, that screen. There we go. All right, quick little push down, try and get back up. Apex 50,000 in Tradebait. Apex is only 30 days. Tradebait is 12 days. So hey Kim, I don't understand. I guess I got lost in a conversation. Apex 50,000 in Tradebait. Apex only 30 days. Tradebait is 12. Hey, what do you mean Tradebait is 12? I don't understand that. What does that mean? No, I'm not in a position right now. I'm waiting for us to get up by the view app band so I can smack the Apex accounts. I want to make the 200 and be done. Oh, okay. I got you, Kim. Okay. I missed it. Yeah. Hey, Kim. So Tradevate, hey, whenever you buy an Apex account or any prop firms, you'll get Tradevate for the whole duration of wherever that prop firm is. So if you get a Lucid account where you have unlimited time to pass, they give you access to Tradevate. Just so you know, you don't have to buy Tradevate or pay for any subscription for that. That goes for everybody out there in case you guys didn't know. The prop firms give you, that Tradevate license comes with it as part of the, what you're paying for. Now, to me, it doesn't really make a big difference. I have a lifetime license to Ninja Trader, so it's not really a big deal for me. $77.87. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of this drawing. Hey, so look what we have going on over here. Kind of a little triangle forming, right? Which way we get a break? Which way we get a break? I know I didn't draw perfectly, but you're gonna intersect right down here. Which way do we break? Got a sneaky suspicion they're gonna try to continue up, but I'm willing to smack it either way. I don't really care. I'm neutral any way we go with it. They want to run it up, yeah, that's fine. They want to smack it down, we'll smack it down. I just don't care. Regression channel is sloping down at the moment. Slightly, not huge. No, it's Starlink messing with the feed. Which I'm kind of funny. I don't see any clouds outside right now. I don't see any clouds. I'm debating on going to ride my e-foil today after the stream. Moderate rally, 7 to 10 days. Hey, remember last Sunday, not 2 days ago, but hey, Rick, I'm at my house. My internet doesn't work. That's why the internet people had to come out today. I've been out since this weekend. Oh yeah, he's running new cable. Gamma flip level. Oh, what is this guy doing? He's got a lot of cable. It's kind of distracting me. Holy crap, I don't know where he's going. Well, I mean, I got like our house is on 2 acres, so. Well, hey, Rick, my internet went out over the weekend. Thankfully, I had the Starlink from when I went to Costa Rica. I could not use because of the overhang and the balcony. Couldn't get a signal. But they had their internet a lot better this time around. The internet this time around was the best I've ever seen. Where that guy went. All right, right now we are setting lower highs. Is we get a break? We break this swing low. I might be willing to take a little short. Try to push down towards this swing point and maybe down towards VWAP. So I'm waiting to see how we're gonna push it. And the upload speed isn't too bad. The download speed's not too bad. It's the upload speed. Let's see if the speed test is running while we're on the stream. This doesn't cause the stream to drop out. I don't know where this guy's going. Jeez. All right, trying to rip back up. Look, we never took out that swing point. So I'm glad I was being careful waiting. Not just jumping on it. Upload speeds are a little bit slower this morning. It might be because we're on. Let's see. I'm kind of curious what he's doing now. So here's the speeds we got this morning with the Starlink. 175 download, 28 upload. What in the world that guy's doing? No, hey, so I don't like doing it. Raj talked about this as well. I found this on my own from looking at it in the past, but I don't like doing it after lunch. I like to do it all through the morning. I'm fine. And at night, I like it at night a lot too. But later in the day, I don't like it as much. I don't like it as much. Let's go look real quick. If we have SPY, looks like it's going to have a gap. If we were to open right here right now, it's up 0.16%. What about RSP? RSP is only up 0.08. Q's a little bit larger gap. So we'll see. So no trades in Apex accounts yet this morning. Last night they made just over $200 in the evals. So they're not funded, so it's not real money, it's fake. They're trying to pass the evaluation with them. So we'll see. I don't understand why he went all the way down there. It's kind of odd. Hey, Blazing, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Go along from the bottom of the wedge. Might not be a bad idea. We have the market open here in about 27 minutes. So if you guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open, go ahead and vote. And what stinks is even if it gets my internet up and going, I'm not going to switch over from Starlink until afterwards. Have that 9-day to trade rule on funded. So any of Apex's old rules applies if you get a legacy account. The new accounts don't have that rule. New accounts, I think it's 5 days in between payouts. Or maybe it's, let's go look. Let's go look real quick. So there's 14 hours left. We talked about legacy accounts. Let's go look real quick. Why the legacy account might be attractive. If you're a trader that blows up a lot of accounts, 50K account, use code Mike and get it for $19. That's not bad. All right. But if we look at the rules, let's go looky. And I'm just saying, if I was winning the Apex account challenge, I would pick a no activation fee account. Just saying. So if you do win, I would pick one of these 25K through 150K account. You can pick the legacy accounts, but so if we look at the new products, look at the new rules they have. NASDAQ's trying to come back down. I'll probably wait till after the open and place any more trades. But if we look at the EOD accounts, that's the ones I currently have that are actually funded. EOD performance. Let's see what we need for payouts. I don't know if this goes. Yeah, it's not going to show us. All right, so we got payouts. Yeah, minimum 5 trading days to meet the minimum daily target. All right. So now you only trade 5 days in those accounts. Now, what about the old legacy accounts? Let's go see. All right, legacy product rules and details. No, there's an activation fee if you pass. That's what I said. If you're a trader that blows up a lot of accounts, the legacy accounts are a great product. So legacy payouts, let's see what this looks like. We get to keep 100% of the first 25K payout requirements. Yeah, 8 trading days have to be completed. 5 of those 8 days, you have to make $50 or more. Safety net is your drawdown. So this thing about that, safety net, buffer, all the same thing. There's a 30% windfall, consistency rule. So the newer accounts have 50%. The newer accounts are better from that respect. The one area where the legacy account shines is after, I think it's after your 6th payout. Let's see. First 3 payouts, you have the safety net. After that, it goes away. Where does it talk about minimum balance requirement? Oh, right here. After starting with the 6 payout, you can withdraw 100% of your profits. So if you can run that balance way up, $1 million, then you can take 100% of it out. Now, after 25K, it will be split. I think 90-10 profit split. So you like the market and it likes you? Hey, that's a good thing. So when the market hates me, I have bad days. Stupid market. I wonder where this. I can't see why he would do that. Interesting. Trend is up. Yeah, it is. We're trying to hold up here. Think about it. So if we're going to go down, what's going to be the catalyst to get us down? Crude oil right now is coming down. Yeah, Rick, usually it's 5 to 8 business days after it's approved to get the money to your bank, typically. You know, competition does help out us traders. So over time, I'm sure that will get better. I'll go back and look at pre-market. So who all's down? Microsoft, Google, or the Mag 7, and Amazon. All right. Nothing crazy, though. Look at the economic calendar. We have news coming out, existing home sales at 10. Other than that, we're going to really be held hostage to what's going on in the Middle East. We look at crude oil. Crude oil is on the move back down. Crude oil is taking out this trying to take out the swing low over here this morning around 7 o'clock, 7:10. Yeah, Mechanoble, it really does. You know, people get frustrated. I want to be able to trade bigger. Oh, let me go see. Oh, let me go talk to this guy real quick. I'm sorry, guys. Give me a moment. I'll be right back. Maybe. Yeah, I'll be right back. Give me a moment. All right, I'll be right back. Just give me a second. I want to get this taken care of before the market opens. All right. All right. Let's see. See, NASDAQ's trying to come down here just a wee little bit. And we have a little bit of time before the markets open. What do we got? 15 minutes. Oh boy, oh boy. If you guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open, let's get it. Crude oil's down here near session lows. NASDAQ did take out that swing point finally. Are we going down to VWAP? A trend all day? I hope not. Well, here's the problem with any big moves today. We could have them, but I think people might be a little bit more conservative thinking about the CPI data coming out tomorrow. They might want to hold off on placing big bets. I could be wrong, but because the market's been waiting for something all week since Sunday night. Sunday night, extremely slow. The market's waiting for something. Yeah, let's just go look. The last CPI report we had, I think, was actually good. Came in extremely low. Month over month. Yeah, last one came in at negative 0.4. Forecasted negative 0.1. Previously 0.5. Now, is that number starting to jump back up or not? If we go down to VWAP, may have a trend day down. Maybe. I don't really think so, though. I think we're going to be into Chop Fest today. I'm just hoping for the Apex account sakes. We can get to the VWAP bands today. Your AI agrees with you. It doesn't mean we're not both wrong. Oil's down 52 cents. Gold's up 32. Yeah, just thinks bull. Might be. It could be. Very well could be. I won't be surprised if it is. All right, NASDAQ's trying to go up here a little bit. Hey, well, 30,000 is right here. 30,000 is that call resistance. I'm trying not to have too many windows open so the stream doesn't buffer too much. So I don't want to get that pulled up yet, but there was a lot of gamma up there. Dollar wise, I'd show you how much, but I can't. I could, but I'm trying to keep the windows minimized until the internet gets back up. And even when the internet gets up, I'm not going to switch it out while we're on stream. I'll wait till the stream's over today and then get it all set up. Where would I enter the trade? Which trade are we talking about? I enter a lot of trades. I've already entered like 2 or 3 trades this morning. I'm out of them. But yes, right there at the upper aggression channel. Oh, if we go to VWAP, let's go look at that real quick. One, I like to use VWAP as a target. I'm not really a fan of looking and playing the bounce off VWAP. I will do it from time to time, but I more so like using VWAP for a target location myself. What I'm hoping for is if we can get up into the bands, all right, the VWAP bands above us. And what this band is the second deviation and the third deviation band. So if we can get up there, then I'll look for a fade trade back down. Same thing on the bottom. If we get to the VWAP bands down here, look for the fade trade back up. How do you put the VWAP on Ninja? Go to order flow. So go to indicators. And it's called the order flow VWAP. Order flow VWAP. Now, if you don't have lifetime license to Ninja, you don't have a live account with Ninja, there is and you don't want to pay for the order flow package, there's a third way. Trade with a prop firm that has Ninja Trader Prop. And good news, if we go to this, well, if you go right here to propfirmmike.com, look, one of the things you can do is under firms, platforms, go to Ninja Trader Prop, and that'll give you access to the order flow tools. Apex now has it. Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and Tradeify all have Ninja Trader Prop. My Fund and Futures does not have it yet, but it says coming soon. We'll see. Hopefully. Yeah, hey BK, I'm with you on that. The outer band setup is a better setup than trading off the VWAP. I believe that to be, at least for the way I trade, I agree too. You gotta do the orb. Yeah, normally I have the orb already fired off. I don't have it on the charts. I don't have the volume profile set to automatically draw it out for me. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and just code the orb indicator in. So that way it doesn't have to load all the volume profile, just keep the platform easy peasy. Have AI code it for me. Say, make this indicator. Thank you. Last night you had a beautiful trade. 3:30 or 3 o'clock a.m. Yeah, I was sleeping at 3. I think I went to bed 1-ish last night. Yeah, chat got way better. I will say that. Chat has gotten way better. Oh, hey, Mongo. So you don't have to add the license to your desktop software. All you have to do is log in with the credentials. So when NinjaTrader gives you in the back end how you connect the TradeBait, the same credentials you use for TradeBait, the username and password, use that as your username and password for NinjaTrader, and it'll work. It'll automatically log in, and you'll have access to the order flow tools. I might need to do another video on that. We're getting a lot of questions about that in the stream. And I have a video about NinjaTrader Prop, but maybe I don't cover that as in detail. I'm going to focus on that exact question. We've been getting that quite a bit. I got 2 videos I got a lot of videos I want to make right now. All right, so we got about 8 minutes until the open, so I'm sitting on my hands until the news comes out. So, bad storm. Oh boy. Hey Kim, hopefully we don't lose you. No. Hey, Mongo. No, you don't have to. So when you log in, so when you first click on the NinjaTrader icon on your desktop, it'll pop up. In that icon, put in the TradeBait login and the TradeBait password. And then once you're logged in, you can just click on Take Profit Traders, you know, your credentials for Take Profit Trader and start the data connection right there. I actually think this is going to be a good video. Maybe I should do that. I really want to do this other video. I had a video I was going to put out today. I didn't get done last night. Maybe I need to push that video aside to do this one. So I'll get that video out here soon. Like today. Well, I might want to go ride my e-foil, so I have to make it after I ride my e-foil. No, they're out here. He's running the cable for the internet right now. So video would be great. All right, so I'll do that video first. I'll put the other video I had on the back burner for a minute, for a day. I'll put that video out. I'll work on that video today. I'll have that video drop tomorrow for you guys. So it should be a pretty easy. I'm probably record both videos, but I'll only drop one. Gives you an error when you go to add VWAP. It shouldn't. Hey Mongo, so which prop firm are you logging in with? You log in with Take Profit Traders credentials that they gave you? Because if you have a different prop firm that does not have NinjaTrader Prop, then yes, you're getting error. I could probably, might be an idea too for the video. Trade evade. I think I'm a little bit confused. Oh, we got 5 minutes till the market opens. Oh man, do we get the pull up? All right, I'm gonna close down that pull real quick. Pop or drop at the open. Neo says longing. Neo, you're longing before the open? Yeah, TradeMate integrates with Ninja, but there are API limits you have to worry about if you're copying multiple accounts. All right, we got about 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. S&P 55 million, 59, 60 million to the sell side. NASDAQ 34 million sell side. Dow 20 million to the sell side. All right, that's the market on open orders. All right. Let's see. Got your coin ready for today? Hey, so in the past, last time I did a video similar to that, I picked the market back when I was trading currencies. It only went down for like 2 years, going down. And I said every day at XYZ time, 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio, it bought. So that way, hindsight, I knew the market only went down, and I back tested that just to try to work on different money management techniques. And it made like 105,000 for the year. So I was simulated profits. It wasn't real. So it was just a test, just to prove a concept. Because obviously if the market's going up and you're always buying, I mean, it should be easy for you to make money. It should. So I was trying to do the opposite. Find a market that's going down, then always just buy and see how bad it gets destroyed. And actually made money. I was surprised how much money it made. All right, we have less than 2 minutes until the market opens. Let's get ready. See NASDAQ over here trying to squeeze up a little bit. We have the regression channel sloping down. We're trying to get above it. Are they going to push it? I used to copy trade when I had rhythmic accounts, but not a specific rhythmic trade copier. So I've never used a rhythmic specific trade copier. No. Feeling melt up? Maybe. Let's see. Push. Routed knife catching. Majority of the chat voted for a pop, so let's see. Do we get the pop? Yeah, I like TradeMate connections better myself. All right, about 20 seconds. Let's get ready for the fireworks to begin. Let's get it. All right. Ding, 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 ding. Market is open. All right, right down the VWAP. We just barely missed VWAP right there. Let's see the ES. ES still a little ways away from it. ES a little ways away. So yeah, all I'm waiting for is the band touch for the... Where'd those charts go? Oh, up here. Trying to figure out where the Apex accounts are going to be at. VWAP on the ES is what, about 83-ish? We're at 86 right now. So nice little slice right down through VWAP. Looks like the pops are going to get it wrong, but we still a little bit of time left. There's still a little bit of time left. They can still get it right. I don't think it's going to be the case, but we'll see. Nope. The pops, the majority was wrong today. We got the drop. Drop it. And keep in mind that, excuse me, the ETFs should have a pretty decent gap. Qs, gap up, trying to come down, fill the gap. SPY. SPY gapped up, trying to come down, fill the gap. What about diamonds? Gap up. That's holding up a little bit better, though. IWM gapped up, trying to still push. Wow. Wowzers. Yeah, stupid market. Yeah, light coming in my windows, messing with my eyes. Jacking me out. That's a nice little haircut down. Where we at? That was at 57. Yes, at 4.7. Crude oil's up. Crude oil's down 41. Neo says adding. We're not down to bands yet, so I really want to smack. I want to smack it, but we're not there yet. I want to take a second. I gotta go shut my blinds real quick, because this is driving me nuts. All right. Someone's messing up my eyes. I gotta get reacclimated. All right. Nice little push down. You see the trade detector bubble right here. Do we come screaming back up? Maybe we do. Maybe we don't. Let's see. Let's see. And Neo, the Bulls aren't wanting to step in yet. Look at that 30-minute chart real quick. That's a little smacking back down there on the ES. Little double top action we talked about. So, hey, we need to redraw this back out. Let's redraw this out real quick. Is this going to be a double top? All right. We break that neckline right there. 550 could be the target. Yeah, I like that almost all last night's move. Well, if you look right here, here's the opening price on the ES from last night. Hey, Training Game, good morning. Let's see. So taking some trades in the pre-market, none yet. Trying to see, are we going to get down into these bands? But look at the options flow data. Options flow data starting to come down here just a little bit, not much. That light's messing with me today too. Yeah, stay a little bit longer. Hey, so we have some trade detector bubbles, and look, we're coming up on the bands. Oh boy, we's coming on the bands. Are we gonna hit it straight down to the VWAP bands? NASDAQ, S&P are down. Pretty straight move down. Let's see. Can we get a little poppy pop? Can we get a little pop off these bands real quick? Huh. Yeah, Dow's going up. Or was. Yeah, Dow's at 175. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So I went long on the Apex accounts. We'll see how they end up faring. Yeah, I'm trying to get about, $200 this morning. Not all in one trade, but let's say this just a little knee jerk down to come ripping back up. We have the, oh boy. I think I have a problem. There we go. All right, here's IWM, near session highs. DIA, near session highs, keeps on going. So this gap and go, baby, can't stop. Can they get it? Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if they got to rip up a little bit more. We had VWAP way up here too. Can they get on up there? $29,736. We'll see if they're gonna bring it back down. They might. They might. Yeah, it's got smacked pretty good too. You're short. Oh, market on open orders quit moving. Since the market already opened. Let's see if we're going to be able to bounce up here a little bit. Let's pull a fib real quick. Oh, this last little leg down. 38% retracement's about 743. We do have a 9 count down here as well. Got 20 points. Nice. Good job on that, Raj. Now, the ES did not make it down to the bands, I don't believe. Yeah, ES did not make it down there yet. So maybe we have a little bit further to go. Are they going to bounce it or are they going to drop it? I feel like the 9 count. I kind of want to play this off the Rinko a little bit. See if I can get a little bouncy bounce. See if we get a little something, something. There you go. I was trying to move my stop up, but got me. All right. Bada bing, bada boom. Winner, winner on that one. Can they keep on pushing? Guys are playing games on me today. Let's see. Dow's at 146. 29,737. Yeah, maybe. Can we get it? Oh, man, that thing's messing with me. I have to do this for a minute. I put my animated guy up for a minute. These lights are messing with my eyes today. I don't know what's going on. I thought it was the sun coming in from the side, but kind of jacking me up right now. Yeah, spike time. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're going to be able to make it all the way up to the VWAP. Can they do it? Can they do it? There's the Apex accounts right there. Trying to get on up there. I don't know. I'll close them. There's the $200 for the day on the Apex accounts. 2 micros. So the Apex account challenge right there. They're at 420, 418 for the day before commissions. So 1 trade New York session. So now we just shut that off. Bink, be done with it. So we shall see. All right. So now what are we going to do? Actually, give me a moment. I'm going to go refill my water. See if I walk away for a minute, quit looking at the monitors, man. My eyes are like, I don't know. It's kind of weird. So give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So we got the 9 count. Do we go back down there or not? Do we get back down there? I don't know. Kind of torn here. I almost feel like, look at the white text. Try to read the chat. I look up. I feel like it's trying to trigger my vertigo. It's not there yet. I feel like it's coming though. That sucks. Hopefully I can stave it off a little bit. And look right here on the 4-hour chart, we're still just consolidating up here. So, that double top target all the way down here at 550 and 550. Look what we have right below that, 524, the point of control off the composite, or I'm sorry, off the weekly volume profile. Where's oil at? Oil's down 63 cents. Gold's up 42. Yeah, I thought about putting the shades on. I really did. I don't know if I'll be able to see my monitors. Let's just see how the shades work. Hey, actually, believe it or not, the shades are chilling. Actually, the shades are helping. Hey, hold on. We might get back on. Hold up. You might have to look at all this beautifulness here in a moment. I think that sun coming in was messing with my eyes, and then now, I don't know, it's all jacked up. All right, let's get the shades on. I'm gonna turn on the light, see if that. Woo! Get a nice little sell off here. All right, we be chill. Hey, you know what's weird? Oh man, that's crazy. You guys can't see it, but here, I'll show you. Oh, these shades work great. Where we at? I am chilling. Hey, but when I look at my stream deck a certain way, it looks like my stream deck shut off. It blocks the colors. Oh, that's weird. Oh man, this is much better. Chilling. Hey, so is this really Mike or not? I don't know. All right, we did have a trade detector bubble down here. Should I take another swing at this? Again, this would not be in the Apex accounts. I'm done for the day in those accounts. Yeah, these are the ones I use when I go out e-foiling. I usually wear these. So this fib right there. Let's see. Where's it? Yeah, ES is down 2. NASDAQ's down 73. Well, I was long on the Apex accounts. Look, we already got that off. Let me, I'll show you real quick. VWAP. There. So here's a trade for the Apex Challenge. One trade and done today. That's fantastic. Can't beat that. So here was the Apex accounts. So I like it. Good thing I got out too, because we came right back down. Good thing I got out. I'm not even upset. I'm thinking about taking a long here off that trade detector bubble though. We're down in the bands. Do I take a long? I may. I don't know. Should I? I just saw a low of the day on my other screen. Oh, I can see right here. Here's low of the day all the way down here. Man, this is much better in my eyes. Hey JC, what's up? What's up? Yeah, it was messing with my eyes. I had the sun coming in this morning. And I think my eyes were dilated. I don't know, it was weird. Look at the white text was like all jacked up. I was like, man, I hope I'm not about to get the vertigo spell again. That sucks. That comes on me. That's like horrible. You guys never had vertigo? Never want it. Snack 73 points. Nice. Good job on that. Look like the Matrix. Neo. You gonna take the red pill or the blue pill? We do got a trade detector bubble down there. 4K this morning already. Man, Mongo is killing it. Hey, good job out there. Trying to figure it out. Do I want to go long or not? Go with one micro. Hey, I'm done with the Apex accounts, Raj. I made the $200 per session. So I'm going to try to adhere to that and just be done. I think I'll put one on my account. I still don't know yet. One thing that's I'm fighting on it. I don't know. I don't like the point of control over here on the weekly. We have the double top. We have broken the neckline, so I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Yes, down 4. Dow's up 223. Russell's up 14. Hey, what's the heat map look like? Google's down. Microsoft's down. SpaceX barely down. Apple down. I don't know how I feel about that. NASDAQ is trying to push here a little bit. We have CPI tomorrow, so if we're going to chop around, I wouldn't be that surprised. VWAP 200 SMA, same location. I wouldn't mind getting a little poppy pop, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm sure you're gonna rip now. We're gonna rip now that I've been indecisive and not taking the trade. That's fine. It is what it is. Hey, dog, I do. My eyes were messing with me. Adhere should push. And we'll see if it holds. Hey, Raj, you looking all the way back for the VWAP or what? Playing online poker? Yes, is barely down. Dow's up 250 now. So, hey, do they flip? Does the Dow start coming down? And then NASDAQ and ES start going back up? Pocket aces? Yeah, no, I'm looking around trying to figure out what I want to do. I don't know. We're out of the bands. Let's see if the ES made it down there. I don't think it did. Yeah, ES never made it to the bands down here yet. Yeah. Oh, hey, good looking out. Forgot about the news. Hey, Sean, good looking out on that. News in 5 minutes. So I might wait till after the news, see what happens. I might just wait. Hurries up and wait. Don't forget, we will be giving away an Apex account today. So, if you're not on the email list yet, make sure you're on the email list. That way you don't miss your chance to win. I don't know. The screens are messing with my eyes this morning. Like the whites are just, I don't know, it's messing with my eyes. I think I had the sunshade open and I had the light up here and the sun was coming in. It was jacking up my eyes. We got the internet guy here fixing the internet. So I'm just gonna wait. I do think we're gonna probably pop up here a little bit, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm kind of curious real quick. Take a nap with nobody knowing. Yeah, you don't see the long blinks coming in. See my head going off? No, I'm just saying, yes, I want to take the trade. And Dow Jones not there yet. Yeah, hey, it can be. Lucid can be, and Trade8 can integrate together. That's how I do it as well. Hey, Peter S., good morning. So again, we have this news coming out here right there. So we got about 2 minutes, 38 seconds. So I'm just gonna hurry up and wait. Oh, hey, hold on a second. All right, give me a second. I have to deal with internet people. All right, so the internet should be fixed. Oh boy, internet should be fixed. But I'm not gonna be using it. What was the news? News just now coming out. Let's see. Let's see. What do we get? 4.06. So it came in better than expected. Expected 4.05. Previously 4.09 though. NASDAQ did get a nice little bounce up. Hey, Charles, what's up? There you go, 4.06. NASDAQ, big push on the way up. We do got a 9 count right here on the 1 minute. Where's the ES? ES up 9. ES ripping back up as well. Wow. Let's get it. So we got the little sell-off. Sell-off into the push up. Do they keep going? I had to wear my eyes are getting jacked up with the whites on the screen. Definitely helps out though, for sure. So I really want to test out my internet, but I'm going to wait till we get off stream. So we'll stay on Starlink for the rest of the day, and then I'll get everything situated afterwards. Yeah, I missed the ride. Now I got part of it, Raj. I didn't get it in my account, but that's fine. I'm still not having a bad day. Think about going along for a little continuation, but then I look over here at this chart on the 1 minute. I'm like, maybe I should wait a minute. We do have a 9 count here. And is it very unreasonable to think that we can get a small little pullback? Well, hey, yeah, I don't know it works yet, Raj. I can't. If I plug it in, we're gonna lose the stream. So I gotta stay with Starlink until after the stream, and then we'll see. So if we get a little pullback, I'm probably going to try to jump on this long. I'm thinking if we look over here on the 5-minute charts, look at that big down candle we have right here. Especially if we get 50% of that down candle, highly probable we undo the whole entire candle body. Uber bull trend day. A few days ago, many things close or similar. I don't know though. The thing I have a problem with is CPI coming out tomorrow. I think we're gonna have too big of a move one way or the other. Russia sees Syria bases deal securing hub for African operation. Africa operation. So we did have a 9 count down here on the 5-minute, but now on the 1 minute, you know, and 9 count can be resolved in 2 ways. If to still be considered successful. 1, we go sideways. 2, we get a pullback. And I say you believe it, just the messenger. I should have jumped in my account down here too. So the Apex got the little pop initially right here. I should have jumped in down here with the trade detector bubble. But there we go. Just broke opening price. Man, is it going to be relieving the station without me? A little FOMO-ish. Feel like I was missing out. Come on, push it. Push it. Just draw it manually. I don't mind the FEG indicator, but look how close it was to my target. Probably should have just killed it. Said I'm like, nah, let me get more. All right, got me on that one. And look, if I would have left my original target, but I ended up moving it, ended up getting me, so that stinks. Talks between Israel and Lebanon and Rome will resume in early September. That's quite a ways away. That's all part of it, though. We're not going to win every trade, unfortunately. Yeah. Missed me by like a tick or two. But it would have hit the original target. That was on me. I moved it up, and I already knew I was playing with fire. We had this big move up, and I felt like I was missing, and just wanted to jump on it. Just think, wow, Dow got smoked. I wouldn't say smoked, but hey, look, Dow did start to pull back here. We look at YM. YM pulled back here a little bit. Let's see Russell. Hey, Russell's still hanging out though. Gold's up 24. Oil's down 23 cents. I'm looking for something near the VWAP bands, and we just don't have it here at the moment. We did get a little push up in the options flow. Not crazy, but got a little push off up here. Trying to hook down here a little bit. Keep an eye on that. See if it turns and starts going back up, or if we actually get a decent pullback. New all-time highs are coming? Probably. Yeah. Hey, Rick, I got SpaceX right now. Which, speaking of, let's see how my SpaceX is doing. I'm going to sell calls against it. Oh, we made it up to 140. Can't believe we made it all the way up to 140. I start looking for the calls. Let me go look. Let me look at the options chain. Because I'm well in the money on this sucker now. Let's see. I'm not looking for a short yet. Not looking for a short yet. Oh, that's weird. Hold on, let's go back and look at that. Why does this not match? Oh, it does. All right, it says we made it to 139, not quite 140. All right, it was close. So we didn't make it all the way up there. No short until orb high. Options. All right, calls. Let's see how much premium can I bring in. Wow. Holy crap. I can get more than I thought I could. So. Let's see. All right, I sold my calls. I got to order it anyways. Let's see if they got filled yet. Did not yet. So SpaceX goes up. I'm going to have my calls. Man, I get a lot further away in SpaceX than I thought I could. I got way out there and still was able to. I'm still waiting for the order to get filled. It didn't get filled yet, but I think it will. Hopefully. So let's see. No short until orb high. Orb high is way up here. So we already look, if we break that 786 right here, we're probably going all the way up. All the way up to here. I didn't buy my SpaceX at the open. I bought it way later. Way later. I bought it after it was already getting smoked. My first little bit was after the it was lower than the initial offering. You're too cheap. So I really wanted to get them at, below 100, but it is what it is. Oh, I did get filled. All right, I do got them. Sweet. So let's see. Where are they at? Where's they at? That's weird. I got filled, but I don't see him. That's weird. I don't see him. I don't see them. Where is they at? Oh, they tied the positions together. Okay. Okay, I got it now. Sweet. All right. All right, so I sold my calls on it. I did not buy my long-term put yet. Maybe I'll do that here in a little bit. You have your own prop firm with no rules. No rules. How does that work? Hey, Jesse, good morning. I'm thinking about taking a swing at this. A swing to the sell side. Come on, Joker. Won't fill me yet. Should I go all the way down to opening price? FTT did. Oh boy. We're down here a little bit. Come on. There we go. Bam. All right. Got it. New session highs. Oh, hey, Liz, I appreciate that. Yeah, I think it's because I had my shades open earlier so I could see the internet guy. And then the light here it was messing my eyes. I feel like I was starting to get vertigo again. And like when I look at the whites, I was like, oh boy, don't do it to me. It's feeling better now. I almost think I could take them off, but I don't want to take a chance. That vertigo stuff's no joke. You do not want it. So, let's see. So I want to do a poll real quick. I'm kind of curious where everybody's at. I know I'm taking a little bit slow today. I'm fine with that. The Apex accounts, they hit their objective. I'm pretty happy about that. Let's see what you guys think. All right, will ES and NQ close red or green today? What do you guys think? Red or green? Just passed 25K legacy. Nice. Hey, good job on that one. Good deal. Nice. So I'm taking these slow. I'm trying to go slow and steady, just using the VWAP strategy only. And right now we can see those accounts. They're about $700 after 2 days, 777. So after, is that after? I don't know if that's after commissions or before, but nonetheless, they're doing decent. Garbage. All right, look, we came right back into being overbought. Almost thought about shorting it, but let's get it. All right, I took another swing at this. So we get another rundown. Here's the opening price. Can we make it back down there or not? Doesn't look like it. Who am I stopping the money? I'm going to try to play keep away. Let's play this game at keep away. All right, got me. Still ended up being a good trade. Still ended up being a pretty good trade. I'll take it. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Market. Thank you for allowing me to join that ride for the brief moment that I was in it, on it, with it. Don't forget, if you guys want a chance to win an Apex account, we'll be giving one away today. So make sure you are signed to email list down below. Let's get it. Let's go. Just past 25K legacy account. Nice. Why can't it be green every single day? That's almost impossible. I mean, unless you only trade once in your life and that one day was a winning day. You're gonna have winning, you're gonna have losing days too. Just try to make the losses smaller losing days. The bigger the loss, the more of an idiot we tend to be. And I'm talking about myself. So, all right, so look, not a whole lot going on. We had that push down. We had the push back up, and now it's kind of stuck. Dow came off the highs quite a bit. If you look at YM came off the high quite a bit. So, is it going to go back up? Maybe. The VIX right now is down 5 cents. That's not much. Bitcoin's up 176. Where's gold? Gold's up 26. Oil's down 2 cents. I feel like the market's waiting for something. What are we waiting for? All right, Google, Microsoft down. Tesla barely up. SpaceX down just a smidge. Apple's down. Intel's down. Interesting. Waiting for a Trump tweet? He might. He's been kind of quiet lately. We haven't seen him really shake up the markets in a hot minute. Trump says, speaking of Trump, he just tweeted at, I don't know who tweeted, but he spoke at 10:19. The U.S. has no shortage of missile munitions. We can hit Iran very hard. We control Iran's money and have complete control over it. All right. So talks are going well. But it sounds like we're close to a deal. Oh, man. We've almost got a deal. So. Yes, sir. You cannot be using that smartphone device. You're causing havoc out here on the markets. You can only use your smartphone device 4 o'clock on Friday after the market's closed. Then on Saturday, Sunday, we're back doing damage control. War's over. And we're looking for peace again. So let's see. Oh man, let's look at Dollar Steve. Dollars. Let's go look at these numbers. So 866 on the day. Oh, no losing trades. Man, he's gonna make us all look bad. Holy crap. Largest winning trade, 259. Can't really compare it against the losses, but hey, good deal on that one, Steve. Good deal. Okay, I just do this. Hold on. There we go. Most of your trades are losers. I feel that way sometimes too. Scalping the VWAP bands. Oh, nice. See, even dollars. Steve is scalping the bands. Pretty soon he's have to change his name to Billionaire Steve. He's not gonna be dollars anymore. He's like, I don't have time to pick up them little crumbs. BK's been pretty good at spotting these band trades too. In the 9 counts, BK's been getting on it. They're gonna try to really bring us back down or not. I'm kind of torn here. They got me in limbo lean. I don't know what I want to do here. Yeah, I mean, as traders, we need movements in the markets. The last couple of days, the movements have been horrible. 255 yesterday on the NASDAQ, 285 day before. I'm sorry, 255 today. 285 day before. 265 day before. 414, 445, and before that, we've been averaging 700 points on the NASDAQ. So we need Trump to get back on the get the Twitter fingers going. The Pakistani Minister of Interior met with Iran's foreign minister. Oh, I didn't read that. Yeah, I didn't read the whole email, Steve. I was gonna read it, then I seen the stats. And I was like, huh. Oh. All the sunglasses. Why are we dropping? The question is, why are we not dropping? Yeah, shh. I'm using my AI glasses to trade. They're so AI. Look, they don't even have a charging port or nothing. No charging port. Ooh, you can't even tell. It's almost like when I put them on, I don't notice any change. They're pretty good. I got them polarized glasses for on the water. That way when I'm E-full, I can see anything in the water. You mean you guys aren't in the metaverse too? That's not where we're at right now? Oh, man. This virtual reality stuff's getting out of control. I don't know what's real and what's not. Some of these stupid scam calls, I tell you. Try to boost some electrolytes? Yeah, I need to. Probably should go drink. I have a electrolyte powder. I haven't drinking it in a while. Probably should. Probably should. I mean, it's not feeling so bad now, but it was feeling a little rough earlier. I think what triggered it was the sun coming through the blinds. Actually, I might be all right now. I might be all right. Maybe. We'll see. All right. So, hey, if I start trading bad, if I start having losing trades, I might have to put the AI glasses back on. I got to figure out, how do you charge these things up? Hey, do you guys know how to charge up the AI glasses? Like, where's the charging port? And where's the camera? I don't see the camera. Land on the metaverse. Yeah, that's nuts. Runs on good vibes. All right, man. Trying to rip up, trying to get it. Dow's trying to get back up. Yes, trying to go up. Do I want to rip this up or not? I'm kind of in a wait and see mode. Do I want to rip this up? Oh, there's solar. Well, maybe this is my big solar sun right here. The light. Hey, but where's the camera at for him? Where's the camera at my AI glasses? I don't see him. I don't see him. Does Costa have AI glasses? Let's actually Google that. Does no, Costa does not. Oh, dang it. They're ripping this right now. Any news? I don't see any news, but we're ripping. You just think charge. Hey, they're charged. Think about taking a little short here. Think about taking a little short. I missed it. Dog it. I hesitated. Look like Secret Service. So, hey, I only got to be like the Secret Service. Once I have a losing trade, then I put them back on. I'd be like, Mr. Market, this is Agent Swartz. You need to return that money back ASAP. We saw that you just stole it out of my account. Please return it. If it would only be that easy. So, yeah, that would have been a good trade too. I just hesitated for a moment on taking it. We do have some liquidity over here on the ES. Down here, 71. I don't see a lot of liquidity on the NASDAQ, unfortunately. Let's see. Did the ES bounce up to the VWAP bands yet? Nope, did not make it up there. So NASDAQ, the trade I took this morning, was the only chance to play off the VWAP bands so far. What if we scroll through the crude oil and gold as well? Not since they opened this morning, not on crude oil, or not on gold. What about crude oil? Crude oil didn't quite make it to the bands. What about YM? Mr. Dow, were you up there? Dow got into the bands a little bit. It could have been a little tricky there. It took some heat. Dow's trying to break down. Dow's up 67 right now. What about RTY? RTY had a good one yesterday. I didn't take. Yeah, we did hit the bands on RTY a little bit. Right there at 930. Then again at 950. A decent little trade right there. Decent. And don't forget, if you guys want to vote, will it be red, will it be green, or will it be mixed today? Meaning ES up, NASDAQ down, or vice versa? Both up, both down. What do y'all think? Let's see. I really want to know if my internet's going to work. I'm pretty sure it will. Well, markets. Oh, think about it. We have a big news event tomorrow. So it would make sense that we just stay range bound a little bit. Doesn't mean it'll happen. We stay range bound all day and then drop out or rip up at the end too. But look at this. I mean, for the most part, we're just kind of stuck. Choppy, 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 chop. Now, what we can do is play the edges, get a pop up, short it, get a drop down, buy it. But, you know, it's going to be a little tough. A little bit challenging. Yeah, I might just stay here. I'm still pretty happy with the results so far for the Apex accounts. So pretty happy with that. They've been getting it. slow and steady, just trying to do a little methodical, couple $100 per session. And session 1 was a fail because I only made $40. So oh, hey, BK, good job on that. Nice. Secret FBI agent. And look, we're really right in the middle of the range. Look at the move down. And this move down, we're kind of just stuck kind of in the middle. Kind of in the middle. The fact that the market's not really going down, you know, that's give the bulls a slight edge. But we come over and we look at the options flow data. Which way is it going? Kind of near the lows of the day. Yeah, slow. I agree. And I don't even know if I'm going to trade the funded accounts tonight. I might only trade the Apex accounts tonight, only for the fact that I want to get in a trade. I'm sitting in it all night and then have to close it before the news tomorrow. And then, hey, surprise. I close it and it goes right where I thought it was going to go. So. Yeah, sellers in control for the time being. We'll see if they can keep it in terms of the options flow, but yeah, dead market. Let's get it. Up here, I might look for a little short if we get up here. Between the EMAs, maybe. Yeah, chopping around. Yeah, but you know what's awesome about it is once we got this chop, it'll probably be a big move, up or down. Yeah, 100K no activation. Hey Rick, so I picked up so I have 5 funded Apex accounts. I'm not doing this challenge with those. I'm just doing it with evals only. And I got one 50K EOD account. I paid $45, I think. Actually, look on a credit card, I'll tell you. I paid 19 for the other one. Let's see. Just so you guys, I don't know if I want to show that or not. Let me make sure it's not going to show. Just so you guys see all transactions. Yeah, it's only the last for the credit card, but yeah. No, I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna show. Yeah, I got one legacy and one EOD account. So the EOD was $49. I just looked on the credit card. In the legacy, it looks like they charged me 19. $19.70 for the legacy account that I bought, and $49 for the EOD account. So, and if I get these 2 accounts funded, so if we end up passing, I get them funded, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade those accounts. I'm going to keep them separate and see, only trading those accounts, what can we do in terms of payouts? No, hey, I didn't get them yet, Charles. I didn't get them yet. I tried to get some. I didn't get them yet. They told me to wait a little bit. So I didn't forget about you. I promise. It's been on my mind. I'm like, hurry up and get up. So I'm hoping at the end of this week, I'm going to try to hit him up again. So I didn't forget about you. And if I end up not getting them, Charles, what I might do is just message you, get PayPal, and just send you the money and you go buy them. So we'll do one way or the other. It was my mistake, so. Let's see. Can they get a little push? Dow almost, I don't know if the Dow went negative. I seen it was only up like 10 points. I don't know. Did the Dow actually go negative on that push? I don't know if it was negative or not. Well, you see, we did get below VWAP. We'll see RTY. How's that hanging out? RTY is still above VWAP. Yeah, I like Lucid's back end. Lucid, My Fund and Futures, Tradeify, all have pretty good back ends, I think. I'm talking about the back end of the website. All right, let's clarify. Get your mind out of the gutter. Yeah, RSP is trying to come up here towards session highs. That should be favorable for the S&P. It's up 0.41%, where the SPY is what? Up 0.07. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot. Lucid has a lot of good things going for it. I mean, think about it. Because of competition, Lucid introduced the, hey, one-time fee. All right, you pay one time. That's it. Either you pass or you blow up the account. That's fair. I like it. Now, to be honest with you, they're probably not losing much by doing that. Most people are going to blow it up or pass within that time frame. So, but if you want to try out higher dollar accounts, you don't have to feel like, oh man, I gotta hurry up because I'm gonna have to pay again. I don't want to pay again. Then you do stupid things, blow the account. So gives you a little breathing room. I do like it. And then Tradeify followed suit. Then Apex had a modified version of that where your account's only good for 30 days. I think Apex was the first one to have really cheap accounts back in the day. Because I remember seeing the sale. Apex account, 50K account was like, I don't know, 17 bucks, 19 bucks. I was like, oh yeah, right. There ain't no way. So I didn't even look at it for a while. Then other traders like, hey, you gotta go check it out. Check it out. So I finally looked at it. I was like, maybe. I didn't realize the activation fee and stuff. Gamma flip 77.80. Where are we at right now? We're right there at it too. T-Coop. Oh, SPX. Let's go look. I thought you already did the conversion for us. You're gonna make us do the work. 77.80. Wow, it's way up here. That's up there a little bit. POC shifting down. Oh, taking a shot here. This probably is not going to work out in my favor, probably. This trade. Dang it. Just give me a little push down. Dug it. All right, it got me on that one. Stopped out. I'm going to target at 550. 70 would be first stop. Dow's only up 11 right now. Crude oil's up 15. Gold's up 33. Seems they want to rip it up. Yeah, probably. We're coming up on the opening price too. Opening price at 764. I take a swing. Do I want to do this? I just messed up. I did not mean to do two contracts. Did not mean to do two contracts. All right, target one. When we get a little push, I'm going to move my stop. We can push above this high right here. I'm going to move my stop just in the money, right below these swing points. One micro 73 points. Nice. All right, stop in the money. Just in case we want to squeeze up a little bit. I'll play the game or keep away with the stop. Let's take it. I just closed it. Closed it, save a couple ticks on that. Now you're going to go up, you sucker. Yeah, probably should have. Probably should have. Too late. Oh, well. Don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button and see if we can get 200 likes. Right now, we got 189. I know the stream's a hot mess today. Dealing with my internet people and my eyes and everything else. Yeah, on the ES, on the 30-minute, we have some wicks down here. Big wick, little wick, bigger wick. Dog it. I thought I was doing the right thing. Trying to tighten up the stop loss. I should have let it rip. Gosh, darn it. Ugh. That stinks. Oh, well. Oh, well. Can't cry over spilt milk. Yeah, I got a sequel coming up to that too. It's going to be coming up. I haven't done it yet. Apex said they lost limit on 3 accounts. Hey, it's better than losing the account. So, you know, sometimes it's good to have a data loss limit. Let's see. Yes. It's stuck. We're coming up towards hey, actually, if we look at this, hey, look at this on the 1 minute. NASDAQ will be the same. Could this not be a bull flag? Here's a flagpole. Here's the flag, and we're breaking out. Probably put us back in the bands. NASDAQ's going to look very similar as well. Here's the flagpole. Here's the flag-ish. Trying to break out. Right? Is the bottom of the flag? Interesting. They're trying to entice me on a little short right there. Even though I just talked about that bull flag, just like Jesse last night. All right, yeah, I don't want to do it. All right, I'm in. You guys were on the stream last night, you know what I'm talking about. And we've all done it. Maybe not all of us, but I think a good portion of us. I'm moving my stop down a little bit. Dang it, it got me. Jokers. Almost flipped it, went long. About time I was about to push the button, it already started squeezing up. Oh no, Bob. Beep. There we go. Small little win for mankind. There we go. We're trying to bust out here a little bit. They're trying. We'll see if they're going to succeed. Maybe they do. Maybe they don't. Yeah, bulls are running it right now. I was hoping we were going to dip a little bit lower right here. I was going to go long again, but we didn't even make it below the 50, so. Let's go look at yields. Where are yields at? Hey, yields are down for the day. DXY. Trying to pop down a little bit. They're trying to break the upside. It's trying to get it. Do we go back down there or not? Anybody's guess. Hey, Jesse, how you doing today? Where you at P&L wise? Are you still trading that one account or what? Oh, yeah, crude oil is trying to push a little bit. Hey, good eye on that one. Let's go check that out. Mr. CL, how you doing? Hey. CL trying to make its way back to VWAP. Have a 9 count up here on the 1 minute. Let's just draw this out real quick. Target on the NASDAQ could be all the way up here at 886. Oh, nice. Hey, good job on that, Jesse. Nice. Hey, so you got both accounts at payout then. That's pretty awesome. It's going to be a payday night for Jesse. Oh, I thought you already went to the airport. Oh, man. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Think about taking a little short. Even though I think we might go up, I think I want a little scalp short. I'm probably gonna regret it. And now I just FOMO'd in. FOMO'd right in that. Right at the 200 EMA where I usually look to target. Stupid market. Please and thank you. Come on. Pull it back. 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 Falling back in the chop zone. Let's get it. I should have got out. Should have got out right there. I FOMO'd in that entry as it was. Oh boy. Oh boy. No, not back in the chop. Escape the box. The box is calling. Come home. Don't forget, we will be giving away an Apex account here shortly. What time is it? 11, almost 11 o'clock. 3 minutes till. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Get it. Get it. Please. Please. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Should have got out. Instead I moved my target down further. It's giving me multiple times to get out too. If we drop one more time, I'm going to put my stop up in the money. Stops in the money. So I keep trailing it down. I trail a little bit too close. All right, there we go. That'd been a good trade. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Get it. I likes it a lot. I like that a whole lot. All right. Looks like we're coming back into the box. Coming back into the box. Let's get it. Hey, so I'm going to go ahead and close out the poll. I'll give the poll one more minute. Then I'm going to close it down. You guys want to vote? Red or green on the day? Polls in the chat. So let's go. Lock out with 450 on the green day. Nice. That's not bad. Locking out is a great tool to use. It's very, very good. So. Oh man, these. Yeah. Oh, nice. Hold up. We got a report card. Here we go. We got the report card. All right, let's go look at this report card. Making sure there's no account numbers. All right, let's go look at it. Dang it. Let's go looky. 13 trades. 84% win-loss ratio. Expectancy $110 per trade. Total P&L $1,300. Nice. Largest losing trade 135. I wish I could see largest winning trade. Largest winning trade 330. That's not bad metrics. That's not too shabby. Good job. Nice. Nice. Love it when others do well. I'm going to go ahead and shut this out. Shut down the poll. These people. Oh, because they picked the 5 account option. Oh, man. All right. Looks like the majority of people voted for green. Huh. It doesn't work on those. All right. Let's see. Who on the chop box? We definitely been in a chop zone all week long. It's been slow. Hey, so if the markets have been chopping because of they're worried about CPI, that is going to be insane of the move we get out of CPI most likely. So, you know, if you get it right, hey, you can get it right in a big way. If you get it wrong, oh boy. So be careful tomorrow. And we'll be streaming the CPI data coming out tomorrow, but we'll see. Yeah, but you know, summer doldrums haven't been so summery. Haven't been so doldrum lately. And Mecha Noble, I feel that way all week, but I've still been able to find good a few good trades. It has been more difficult. I will say it's been a lot more difficult. I had to deal with internet people. My eyes were jacking me up. I feel like I was getting ready to get vertigo again, but thankfully that's gone. So I hear a little bit of selling. We got the Apex account giveaway we're going to be doing here shortly. So if you're already on the email list, hey, congrats. If you're not, and you want a chance to win, you gotta make sure you sign up to the email list down below. Your email is confirmed. And what I mean by confirmation, once you sign up, they'll send you a confirmation email. Click on that, and then your email will be on the list. I think last August I did pretty well. But, you know, I typically do better when the market's, I like a little better chop than this, but I like wide ranges. Yes, trying to come down here a little bit. That was only up 5 points. Yes was just up 3 ticks, 2 ticks, 1 tick. Dang it, didn't go red yet. Again, I've been waiting for some VWAP trades. No, hey, so one of my good runs I've had recently, it's been a little while now, but there was because after the stream, if I'm not on stream, you guys don't, I do some stupid things too. All right, let's be honest. I can raise my hand. My name is Mike. Yes, I'm an idiot sometimes, but being on stream, you guys keep me at bay a lot. I do way better on stream because I'll trade more aggressive. You know, I used to DCA the crap out of trades. I don't DCA too much now, but hey, what happened to my glasses? Huh. So it does help me, but there was a period where it was, I think the end of September, all the way until May of the other year, I only had 3 losing days, and the highest losing day was under $100. Well, two of the days, like one day I lost like $6, and the other day was like, I don't know, 60, 70, $80. But then the third day was a little bit larger. Third day was a little bit bigger. But that was a pretty good run there I had. But I don't do good. I don't do good like that. I know it sounds crazy, but I like to have some losses in there, only because it stops me from the Superman effect. You know, you have to lose a little bit too. You have to lose a little bit to stay humble. Otherwise, you'll start doing crazy things. Then that loss could be pretty darn big. Yeah, never trade by yourself. Well, it's really bad when my friend at work, we both just get smoked. We were ever in the same trade, we got smoked. I was so superstitious. I never wanted to see what trade I was getting in. Like, you get my trade, it's gonna wreck it. Man, we're coming down here a little bit. Hey, look, the ES is getting, let's look at this now. Look at the ES on the 30-minute. All right, is this trend line in jeopardy of breaking? I think it is. And if we do lose that trend line, where do we go? I think the next stop is the lows from last night, right down here, 77.66. Wow, good job on that, Mongo. Holy crap. I think right down here, we breached that level. Then I really want to look over here on the 4-hour chart and say, all right, are we indeed going to form this lower high? May. NASDAQ's getting clobbered to the downside. We're still not in any of the VWAP bands yet. ES getting closer though. ES getting closer to this lower band. So I may be looking to put some ES trades on here in a few moments. Maybe. I almost drank my whole water. Holy smokes. Do I want to? So we had the Dow down 13, ES down 2.75, Russell down, or Russell up 10 points. Hey, Nate, Nat, what's up? What's up? Natty Nate. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know if I'm ready to swallow. I do want to keep an eye on this ES. So everything we talked about, that bull flag, was that a failed bull flag? Let's get rid of this. All right, we talked about this. Here was the flag pole. Here was a flag that we were breaking out of. That just ended up being a trap. Look above, bink, trap everybody thinking, hey, we're going to continuation up. Yeah, ES getting close to that lower band. I might want to take a swing on it. I don't know yet. We do have a 9 count here too. So maybe we get into that band. Maybe I'll smack it a little bit. Give it a little love tap. I don't trade CPI in the prop accounts, but I don't specifically trade CPI, but if I see trades around it, I will take them. Oh man, I got another report card and you guys are killing it today. And locked. I like it. And we're gonna show Eddie's I like that you guys are using that lockout feature. We gotta protect ourselves from ourselves. I'm loving it. Hey, so here's Eddie's report card. Where'd you go there? There we go. So he's got $52,412. Look, it is a PA account. So real money's total profit $1,800. Man, that's awesome. Hey, good job, Eddie. Good deal. And look, yes, trying to turn off that friggin' 9 counts. Stupid. I'll see if we can get down here. I'm probably gonna smack the ES. We get down here, especially if we break that low of the day. Probably gonna take a swing at it. No, I'm not in a short right now. Nope. I've been short. I've been long today. I've been pretty evenly killed on that front. So. Yeah, a lot of the people are, not everybody, but you know, quite a few people in here are trading the VWAP strategy-ish. Maybe a little modified, but the common theme of it. Maybe 663. Hey, I would be upset seeing that, Jesse. I want to look for a little pop out of these bands though on the ES. I'm kind of stalking the ES. And then we'll do that duck race. Just want to see if I get a chance for this before we do the duck race. And duck race is going to be for any Apex account you guys want. And maybe the no activation fee doesn't work. Somebody's saying it didn't work. I don't know. So it might just be all the other accounts. You just can't get the one with no activation fee. But any account size, any account type. Let's see. Push. Please. Pretty please. Darn it. Grieving here. Oh, I think stop by and smash that like button, but sorry for your grieving. Come on, smack it. I'm waiting for I'm watching this ES so I can bam. Biggest prop account I have right now is 150K. I boofed up the payout I was going to take. I wanted 15K out and I was at 14,900 and something after the split. I was like, nah, after the split, I want 15K in the bank. And then one more day happened and that one more day was not good. I didn't blow it up. I blew up other accounts. I blew up my TPT. I blew up my MFF. I got those all replaced, but well, I mean, I bought new evals in those. I haven't passed them yet. The market's been crap. I'm still just kind of grinding them out a little bit at a time. I'm watching that. I got my eyes heavily focused right there. Right there on the ES. Are we going to get it? NASDAQ's a little bit further away. Let's see. Let's see. Again, I want to do an Apex, but I want to see if I'm going to get a chance to get this trade. So we're going to do an Apex giveaway here in a moment. Just want to see if we're going to, if we start to reject before getting in the bands, we'll just do the giveaway. If not, I want to see if I can get in this trade. So. Come on. Come on. Come on. Train's not been horrible. I had to deal with the internet people, then my eyes were messing with me. So you you forgot to, you didn't get to see special agent Swartz on the mission. Ready to go today. When my eyes were messing with me. So. Come on. You gotta push it, push it. All right, are we gonna be able to pop back out? Can they get a little bouncy bounce? Can they do it? We got into the band on the ES. CL to the moon. That's at 44. It's not crazy. Not crazy yet. Let's see. Are we gonna break that low? Watching the low of the day. Are we gonna sweep it and then blink right back up? Maybe. Just 663. 663 is another, what, 40 points lower almost. Chop sucks the trade. It can. It really can. But it can also be good. Now, still done. All right. We got a trade detector bubble right here as well. Full trade detector bubble. Let's hit it. Let's go. Finish chop zone. That's what the market does. Expansion, contraction. Chop, unchop. Let's see. Can we get a little bounce? Bouncy, 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 bounce. Ping your stop loss. Earn $7. I like the bigger moves doing what micro is, but let's see, how far away is the NASDAQ? And NASDAQ still has ways to get down to the bands. So. Yeah, smash that like button. Yes, trying to get a little lift here. Let's get it. Trade bubbles come from Ninja Traders, one of Ninja Traders order flow tools. Let's see. Let's see. Finger's gonna be on the close button. Figured I wouldn't get as big of a move on this, so I went with 2 contracts. I'd like to be able to get 500, but I don't know if we're gonna make it that far. Because I'm already itching to close it. Come on. I'll take it. I'll take it. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. I'll gladly accept it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go refill my water. When I come back, we're going to do that Apex account giveaway. So if you're not on the email list, it's a great time. Go click the first link in the description box down below. Sign up. Make sure you confirm your email. Then I'll get the giveaway all set up. I'll give out a key phrase. Spam the chat with the key phrase I give out. Nightbot will pick out 10 people. I'll pick out a handful of people myself. And we'll see whose duck is going to be the fastest. So give me uno momento and I shall return. I could have got more of that. Friggin' keeps going up. That's all right, though. All right, give me a moment. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, let me get off the my assistant. Boom. I had to go ahead and charge up my e-foil as well. Put the battery on charger so I can go out. Let's see. Hey, look at the options flow data really quick. Options flow data is not looking too healthy. Ew. I got water refill and I got nice topped up on the water. And I got my e-foil batteries on charge. So 2 for 1. So. No, Roger, I was only missing for a moment. Getting the water, recharging the e-foil battery. All right, so we're going to do Apex giveaway. Remember, you got to be signed up to email list down below. Your email has got to be confirmed. And now I got to go create the Nightbot. What is the word going to be? What do we want it to be? Giveaway. Ooh, where it changed. Something went wrong. All right, this will be different. Huh. Let me get back. Nightbot. Nightbot's not. It's giving me a problem right now. All right, here we go. You guys will not get this one. Somebody guesses this key phrase, I'll be amazed. All right, let me get the ducks. Ooh, I gotta get the So we haven't had no problems with messing up entering the names since I started putting them on the notepad. So we gotta keep with that theme. Keep doing that. All right, where's the let's see, I don't know where notepads are gonna pop up at, so. All right. Oh yeah, see if that would have popped up, you guys would have had all the codes. You guys would have been able to hijack all the codes. All right, so I'm going to drop the key phrase here in just a moment. So you want to be ready to go. Spam the chat. Let's get it. And already paste it. There we go. All right. All right, so spam the chat with the key phrase. Apex sale ends tonight. Just copy and paste it. Bam. Hamster, you have a spot. You'll be the #1 duck. Next little duckly. Burmer, you have a spot. Reroll. The boss, you have a spot. Reroll. Flash of the white. You have a spot. Cash flow audiobook, you have a spot. We might try to go down here a little bit more, huh? I'd love to see it. Love to see it. Manual, you have a spot. Jimmy something. Jimmy. I don't want to pronounce your last name messed up. Jimmy D, you have a spot. Roger Sam, you have a spot. Let's see. Tom, you have a spot. All right, you have a spot. Let's see how many Nightbots picked out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, Nightbot already picked out 11 people. All right. You guys quit spamming the chat. I'm going to give Bob the Nomad a spot in the race. Let's see. J Loves, you have a spot. Rick, you get a spot in the duck race. Eddie, you have a spot. to give Raj the spot too. Give Raj a spot. Mecha Noble, you have a spot. Elevated Life, you have a spot. Are you gonna come on down? Is the market gonna keep on coming down? Let's go. Hey Carl, you have a spot? Miranda, you have a spot. The Block Talk. All right, give you a spot. I am. Benjamin, I'll give you a spot. Miss K, you'll get a spot. I feel like Miss K's been at a lot of duck races. Haven't been winning. You got to get on the training your ducks a little bit better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we already have 23 people. Raphael, give you a spot. Hey, Eric Smith, you have a spot? This duck race could be packed. Well, let's see this. Oh, no worries. You have a spot. What about Alley Cat? You have a spot. Let's see. See if Sod's in here. Is Sod's in here? Oh, it doesn't pop up. I'm gonna put BK in here since he's always in the chat, but he locked himself out for the day. So, BK, you may or may not know, but you have a spot in the duck race. Oh, I can't forget sports equipment. Jeez. All right. Sports equipment. I mean, Apple. Trading game. Oh, we're trying to break down. I'm trying to focus here. All right, look, there goes the ES. Took out the session lows. Man, do I take another swing at this? Do I take another swing on the ES? NASDAQ's not quite down there yet. Ooh. Oh, Paul, I'll give you a spot. There we go. There we go. All right, that's going to be a lot. We got a lot of people in this race. Hey, don't forget, every night that I stream this week, we're going to be giving away an Apex account. So tonight, 8 o'clock, you have a chance to get an Apex account. Tomorrow morning, during the stream, you get a chance to get an Apex account. Tomorrow night. So every day this week that we're streaming, give a shot to win. All right, let's see who's going to win this. Let's see who's got what it takes. Now, I'm not looking to get off the stream just after this is over, just so you guys know, but all right. On your marks, get set, beep. Who's going to win it? Who is going to win it? And don't forget, if you win, you're not on the email list, you'll forfeit. I don't want to do that. Come on. Let's not play that game. Let's see. Who's it going to be? Oh, we're trying to bounce a little bit. I like that the ES is down here. I'm thinking about taking another swing on the ES. Iran's doubling down. The straights will not be open. The CL just took CL's up $1.13. Advisors to Supreme Leader. Straits Hormuz will not be open until Iran's conditions are met. All right. I think Emmanuel is going to win. Stupid ad. Emmanuel, congrats. Nice. Hey, Manuel, what's the first 3 letters of your email? I think I've already communicated with you via email. I just want to make sure it's the same Manuel. I want to make sure we don't get it mixed up. Cheese and pepperoni. Oh boy. Oh boy. Not a problem, Manuel. I just need the first 3 letters of your email. I'm pretty sure I've been communicating with you through email. I just want to make sure it's not a different Manuel I'm thinking of. Me. Oh, that should be easy. Shouldn't have too many of those. Me. I found you. I'm pretty confident we got the right person. All right. Hey, Manuel, remember this is good for any account size. All right, any account size. EOD, intraday, 25K all the way to 300K if you choose to go legacy accounts. So I'm going to get this to you. Compose. Bam. All right. All right, Manuel, I sent it to you. You should be good. IWM rolling over. Let's get it. Let's get it. I don't have to be distracted with the Apex giveaway. All right, can we make it down there? If we look at the ES is still down here. I think that NASDAQ wants a little bit lower though. Yeah, intraday is a little bit tougher. Hey, that's why you get a chance. You can pick an EOD account any size you want with that win today. Man, I don't know. Do I want to swing at this only because NASDAQ's not quite down there yet? Rollover. Trying to get your dog to get some exercise, Eric. Hey, you don't have dogs, Eric. You have horses. VIX rolling up. Well, hey, look, here's the options flow data. If we look, options flow data is horrible. Going lower, almost 4 billion, almost 5 billion, actually. Negative options flow. Let's see. Can we get this ES push, push, push? Let's see. Can the ES keep on pushing? Please and thank you. Put out the VWAP band. I'm trying to get a whole lot, but a little bit. Please. Hey, Finite, how's it going? Man, you just missed the giveaway, Finite. Probably would have put you in it too. I didn't see your name though. Come on, 250, 250, 250, 250, 250. Give me 250 and I'll bail, maybe. NASDAQ's trying to come down here a little bit. Oil's up $1.16. Bet your oil's up in those bands. Ah, dang it, repeat. Hey, repeat, if you're on tonight, I'll make sure to put you in. Remind me tonight, and I'll put you in. You're always out here hanging out with us. I like to give you guys a chance. I like to have a chance to get back to you guys when I can. Come on, a little bit more. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, Eric. All right, Eric. Remind me tonight, this evening, on the stream. We still have to do some London streams too. That's gonna be. I want some revenge on that. A little bit more. Give me 250. I just need a little bit more, so slippage when I go to get out. Come on. I'll take it. I'll take it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Markets. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, just playing out the bands. I am kind of curious. Way crude oil rocketed up. It's probably up there in the bands. No, it's not. Wow, I'm really surprised. Crude oil is not up in the bands yet. What about gold? Well, gold's coming down here a little bit. SpaceX going sideways. Hey, that's good for the calls I sold. I sold my calls on SpaceX way up there. I couldn't believe how far away I could get. If they call it away from me, I'll be happy. That'd be a good sized trade I'll have. I'll probably make, if the calls get called away, I'll probably still make over 10K-ish on that trade. Ish. So I'll be pretty happy. Maybe even more. Ooh, might be more. I don't know. It's going to be close. It'll be close. So, and plus whatever options premium I collected today. Now, what I probably will do is for the options data, anybody that sell options or know anything about it, I'll probably put in a close order for 5 cents. So if we do get a spike down there, you want to fill me on the options to get out, I'll get out. What did Bob say? Let me know when, and I will join you if you want. Hey, Bob, what are we talking about? I'm scatterbrained today. I think I missed part of the conversation. Oh, London session. Oh, okay. London session. So Bob said he's up for it. Bob, I'm hoping here in the next couple weeks to do it. Is what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for the next couple weeks. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. But so can we come back down into the bands a little bit? Hey, Eric, so when I did it at work, when I was working a full-time job, but I still trade a little bit. I do my 6 o'clock trade in Asia, eat dinner, and go to bed. I go to bed. I say go to bed. I probably was going to bed around 9. Get up at 2 o'clock in the morning, 2:30. I think it's 2:30 actually. Get up at 2:30, get up, trade, be up, be down, and then get it back. Usually I got it back on the last trade. Sometimes I was still in the trade as I'm driving to work. And then I was tired as all could be all day long. So Yeah, Jesse will probably be sleeping. He'll be getting the Z's. Can we come on down? Come on down. I might smack that. This NASDAQ gets on the zone. I might hit this with some micros. I don't know if I hit the NQ. I might hit this with some micros in my account and see if we can pink right back up. Hey, here's the good news. If you're playing the VWAP bands, if you're not in them, nothing to do. Conqueror Phillips squeezing hard. What does this ES look like on the 30-minute? Yeah, we take out yesterday's low yet? Yeah, we did. So we took out yesterday's low, but we're not staying below it. Yeah, 580 is not that far away. We'll see if we can get it. I'd love to see 580. Let's get it. Actually, what I really would like to see on the NASDAQ would be here at 524. 524.75. Take out that weekly point of control, as it is the second consecutive weekly untested point of control. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. I love that. I love that idea. Now, will the market love it as much as I do? We don't know yet. ES still has the potential for this ABC pattern on the way down. So right here, here's a high, lower high. Now, can we break the B point? If so, small little target down here, right around 7,700. Or you sent me a text? I didn't see it, Bob. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Is we going to be able to push it? Oh, dang it. No, we do have CPI data coming out tomorrow, so I don't know that I think we get a crazy big move, but Iran says other conditions have been conveyed through intermediaries. Iran war must end across the region, including Lebanon, Gaza. U.S. must end the war and release blocked Iranian funds. Any Iran-Oman agreement on straits shipping would be separate from issues of closing the straits. Okay. So. I was seeing on financial juice. Seeing on financial juice. The juice. So. Do we push or not? Yeah, I don't know. All right, are they gonna bounce it or are they gonna drop it? I don't know yet. NASDAQ has not taken out the lows yet. On the prior day. Oh, they did. They did. We had that double top target down here at 550. Then that point of control. And maybe we'll get a little bit more of a push. Let's see something real quick. Do a fib from this last move. And we came right to a 50% retracement though. So if we do bounce there, it would be a logical area for the market to bounce. We'll see. We shall see. All right, is the NASDAQ going to get down that zone or not? Love to see it. Love to see it. I don't know how much further we're going to go, given the fact that we have CPI coming out tomorrow. That's the thing that kind of has me hesitating on. I think we'll have a huge drop, but you know, crazier things have happened. Yeah, CPI, no doubt about that. Trying to knock it on down. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know. I'm trying to debate if we get into these VWAP bands, do I want to reject it back out? If I do, I'm going to do it with micros. I don't know. Hey, Rick, that's not a bad idea. Look, if you're happy where your P&L is for the day, it's never a bad idea to lock it in because, you know, you push the wrong button or you say, yeah, just one more trade and you walk away with less than what you have or even blow up the account. You wish that you had hit that lockout button. That lockout feature's, you know, pretty powerful. Protects us from our own selves. So I do like it. Yeah, no, that's big. Apex has Ninja Trader prop now. That's huge. Huge. That's a big win. Hey, so hey, learn the hard way. Were you able to get it back or not? ES only had a 33-point range today so far. NASDAQ looks about 255. Still holding? Oh boy. Hey, you long or short? You long or short? Yeah, hey Eddie, that's true too. How to convince yourself that's enough P&L. That's a whole nother tool set we gotta have them develop. Hey Eddie, so hey, if you're married, what you can do is just have your wife determine what is enough and have her set the lock limits every day. You'd be like, $10. What the heck? Oh, sorry, I meant to put $100 in. It was up 820. Yeah, it sucks. Hey, Tomic, and that's the worst because you go from being up and you're like, woohoo, you're feeling good, to just down in the dumps. It's horrible. So. Options flow data is still pretty weak. So look right here, options flow is still pretty darn weak. from the gap up last week. We don't talk about the 23.6 fib level in here. That's an inside joke between me and Jesse. He likes that darn level. I hate it. Hate it. I don't really hate it, but yeah. Hey, so the low after the gap, or all the way down low. Yeah, I'm sure Jesse can hear it. I don't know, man. Do I want to place another trade or not? I'm happy with the P&L, but I'm like, man, maybe just one more trade. The exact thing that we were just talking about. How do we tell ourselves enough is enough and be happy with it? I'm like, I still got, it's not 12 o'clock yet. I get a little scalpy scalp. We're getting close to these bands. I'm like, man, I've been waiting ever since the trade I took over here this morning in the Apex accounts. I've been waiting for us to come back over here. Now we're here and I don't want to take it. Oh, man. No, after the stream, I'm going to probably eat lunch. Then I'm going to go out in the water. I'm going to go ride the e-foil. At least that's the plan. That is the plan. Hey, Thomas. It's never enough. Yeah, I agree. How much do you want? More. Well, after you get more, I want more than. More is never enough. So actually, I think I'm actually gonna do the smart thing. I'm not gonna trade no more. I'm gonna be done for the day, and I'll come back and stream tonight. Hopefully, you guys will join me at 8 p.m. Actually, 8:30. I was set for 8:30, but last night I was on at 7:50. So I'll be on before 8:30, but probably around 8 o'clock. The stream will say 8:30, but I'll probably be starting it a little bit early. So if you guys want to come hang out with me, I'd love to hang out with you guys as well. And we'll be giving away another Apex account tonight on stream. So maybe you can be the lucky winner. You can choose whichever account size that you want. So with that being said, take care. Look forward to seeing you guys this evening.